sorry guys, I ended up cutting the video because it took close to an hour trying to find those MOSFETs. I don't have two main boards for TVs here, so I found something. Someone, a friend of mine, gave me this. This is some panel of some LCD TV. I don't even know, but we have so many MOSFETs. You can see we have so many MOSFETs here, and all of them, they are channel N MOSFETs. So let's see. Let's take down that MOSFET which was blown up. Okay. Let's see. This MOSFET is gone. So let's take this MOSFET down. Our blown MOSFET is out. Maybe we can take one. It's good to experiment, you know. There's nothing bad about that. Okay, that's all what you have to do. Now what I would do, I'll check for short on this new MOSFET. Drain to source. It's not shorted, okay, but it's still hot. Still hot, okay. I'll cool down the board quickly. Let me cool down this board. It's too hot. So what is left is to test for this MOSFET. You can see. You can see those two holes. This is blown up. We've got two holes on top. I don't know what really happened to this MOSFET. So let's see if this is only our problem, or let's see if this MOSFET which you took from a different board will work there. Okay. So everything is plugged. All what is left is to plug the AC adapter. AC adapter plugged. Check here. You can see we have a standby light. Let's look for the power button, the first button on. I'll pay attention to the standby light on. It just went off, meaning to say our TV is now on. Volts, let's check some voltages. If it means that the TV is now on, I'll check on the backlights first. Backlights voltage 75 volts. You can see on the screen. On the last pin of the BIOS chip, you must have 3.3 there, 3.31. you see. On those coils, the first one we have 5.16 volts, that is standby voltage. The other one is 1.1 volts. That's why this coil was beeping to ground. It's not necessary that we have a short there, but this is a very low resistance power supply. Okay, we do have a regulator here. I think that's the 5 volts regulator, 3.3 on the output, 5 volts. Okay, so I think this job is done. Let's power off the TV and see if the standby light will come again. Off. You see the standby. You see the standby light on, disappeared. Pay attention on the standby light on. Is now, we now have light off. The light disappeared on. And is now on, and is staying on. So that's how you can diagnose and fix a switching power supply. Okay, it's not always the case that if you don't have the component, you have to look for the same body to replace the component. So what is left is to give back my colleague everything. You assemble everything and you give me feedback, but I'm 100% sure this job is done. Okay, so like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. See you on the next one. Bye.